On this job I want to use Mapei glue. It's very good glue. I like Mapei. So how to open? Take the chisel or pull bar and open this. Okay, here is some dry skin glue. Just take the knife and cut perimeter. And squeeze. Here is a lot of glue with this skin. So now we can start spread the glue. So just a little bit about trowel. I use trowel quarter by quarter. This is very good trowel for glue. You can find instruction on the bucket what kind of trowel you have to use. So this is for regular installation. So now we can start spread the glue. So first of all, put some amount of glue. Looks like cream. Okay, next step. Just try to. We have to start from the sides. Okay, do you remember I made one line here? And we have side here. So start from the line and go in. And then start from the board, put under the groove and go in. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just from the line. 1, 2. Not rush. Without empty spots. Just and travel should be approximately 45 degrees, not like this, not like this, approximately 45 degrees. And go in by this wrist. It should be same pressure from both sides. Easy, just need some little practice. 1, 2. Just follow this line. You finish spreading glue, and what we have to do with this glue? We have to put it in the bucket. I can show you how to do it. Just take this flat side. Oh. That's it. And then we see the very beautiful line on the floor with glue, and now you know how far this glue from the floor, and your brain knows where you have to step. If it's not be so straight, sometimes you can feel and during the work you can step to the glue and have to step over the floor and make some marks.